What if we could form a level of appreciation for an area of the body or a level of function before it's taken away, before we allow it to decrease, whether that's with injury or a decrease in ability by our choices? That is the driver behind the hand zoom tomorrow, is focusing on an area that allows us to get up from the ground, from playing with a grandchild, to grab foods and prepare foods that we can break bread with friends and ourselves, to be able to get our toys before we go to the ocean to enjoy a sunny day, to be able to tend to our gardens and our plants, to be able to grind our coffee beans if we wish to do so, of our favorite blends, and sip them in the morning as we have our morning routine, to be able to find the foods we want, hand pick them, bring them home to prepare, to be able to connect with nature and friends on another level, to be able to play, express coordination in a playful manner, to be able to survive a fall, to be able to express a point passionately to the world that you know they could benefit from, to be able to artistically create and express from your heart things that are important for you, to be able to take on a new skill level, take on a new talent, to be able to challenge yourself melodically, artistically, and then to be able to do a circus event like a strength test, or to be able to flash a very important sign to the world. Boom.